First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
Nagkakilala kami ni Bea sa
Bumble, yung app, if you are familiar. And then yun, after a few weeks,
maraming dates na nangyari. And, masasaya yung mga dates namin.
tsaka siya nanligaw. Tapos naging kami. And then ayun.
Na naman ang kawalan, ako'y hinahatid ng mga bituin sa'yo.
Open nyo na daw! Naghirapan niya ni Kat balutin.
Ikaw lang patutunguhan.
Art. Thanks. And that's Aaron. Ayan.
Sasabihin kailan.
Sobrang thank you kasi ako yung unang ikakasal sa family ko. So, syempre sobrang memorable. And ang daming pinagdaanan, ang dami natin pinagdaanan. So, alam kong mapagtatagumpayan natin tong journey na to. Hindi man magiging madali, pero for sure, magagawa natin ng paraan through thick and thin. Love you!
Weddings are not just but a covenant. There's more to that. This joining of two hearts, being blessed by the Lord.
Ika'y ang kalawakan, tama ang pananabik, ako'y papalapit na giliw. Parating ng dapit hapon, at kay sarap umuwi.
More happy things na mangyayari sa atin kahit through good times and bad times. I wish talaga na we end up kami pa rin and always, forever.
Love, I know yung journey natin hindi magiging madali. Wait lang, naiyak ako. Pero yun, thank you so much kasi sobrang patient mo sa akin. And then sa family ko, tinanggap mo sila. Finally, we're here. This is the day I once only dreamed about and how now it's happening. Sa lahat ng trials na pinagdaanan ko, I realized that God was saving the best for last. And that best is you.
My dearest Bea, my best friend, my coach, my food buddy, my baby po. At ngayon, ng aking asawa. I stand here today feeling incredibly blessed at medyo gulat pa rin na wedding na natin ito.
Today, I give you my heart, my soul, and my unwavering commitment. In this life and in every life, I will always choose you. I love you endlessly, and I'm honored to be your wife.
Bea, my love, ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw habang buhay. I love you always, forever. I'm your bunny Ify, Bonify forever. I love you.